Hey everybody, I want to create a quick video on how you can get data from FBREF.com. They have a lot of cool stats and advanced statistics as well, including things such as expected goals. So the easiest way to do this, and what I found, is you can just come into any sort of competition or club or player. So we're going to go into the English Premier League. And what you can do is come down here to where it says any sort of stat table. And right here, they have a share and export. If you say get this table as CSV, click on that, it'll come up like this. And you can just copy all of this. Don't copy the part above this. So just Command C or Control C, depending on what you're on. And then if you go over to Google Sheets, you can upload this into a Google Sheet. So we'll let this load real quick. So you go to Google Sheets, create a new one. So create a new one and then just paste it into this first one. And then you can click on this A right here. So just click in the first column, come up to data, and then split text to columns. And there you go. You now have all the data in a CSV. You can just hit File, Download, CSV. Down here, you can download it as an Excel document as well. One thing that I would recommend is that if you're going to do it this way, you go ahead and change these. So you get rid of this first column right here, or sorry, you get rid of this first row right here. So where it has performance per 90, I would change this goals. I would do goals P90 and then assists P90, just so you know the difference, because otherwise you have this goals right here, which is total goals, total assists. So I would just make sure that you're changing all of them so that you know exactly what that stat belongs to. Because if you see goals 1.39, I mean, if you use some intuition, you might be able to decide that that's not goals per 90, or that's not total goals. It's rather goals per 90, but I would still do it so it's easier to call the columns when you're uploading this into R or Python or whatever you're using it for. So that is how you get data from FBREF. I know some people like to scrape it, but I would just rather have the CSV on my desktop, and it's a lot easier just to do this than try and set up some scraping bot. So it's not as automated, but it is a good way just to get the data super quick. So that's it for this video. If this helped you out at all, be sure to hit like. And if you have any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter or drop a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video.